I think this is very important because, as all of you know, this is not an easy journey. It's not something that you prepare for in 1 week or a few months. It requires a certain amount of commitment. At least, I think, 2 years at the minimum, because I think at least 1 year before you start giving the examination or appear for your prelims, and at least 1 year during which the examination itself takes place. So you need to understand why you're sitting for this examination. So for me, I personally wanted to do something I always felt. I think it would be personally fulfilling for me to do something in which I could do something for people around me, help them in some way, work on the ground. And this gave me a sort of fulfillment. And I felt that the civil services provides me a platform where I can best do that to my ability. So it's important for you to understand why you want to do it. If it's only because of parental pressure, if it's only because of the status, if it's only because you think it'll give you a certain amount of respect in life, I think that sort of motivation won't keep you going for as long as 2 years. And so you need to understand that and go forward thinking.